Think about the last advertisement that you saw that really left an impact on you. We're not talking about the Rita's Ice coupon in your inbox, nor do we mean the billboard with the suited lawyer on it asking, "Injured?" When is the last time that you said to yourself, "Damn, I really believe in what this company stands for," and bought something because of it, not because of sheer need? Here's the secret. Those companies, the ones that we remember, they inspire us. And I'm about to inspire you to do the same. These companies understand their big why, and we share it too. When Apple hit the market with the iPod in 2001, they weren't the first people to invent the MP3 player. In fact, they didn't invent any technology that was different than their competitors. Yet, still to this day, they are known as the leaders of transforming the way that we listen to music. Instead of pushing fancy product specs like gigabytes or storage space, information that meant nothing to the general public, Steve Jobs showed us his lifestyle. He stood before everyone on stage with his own iPod in his hand and said, "This little gadget here holds 1,000 songs." And as he slipped it into his jeans, said, "And it fits right in my pocket." Steve Jobs inspired us. We understood why we wanted this gadget. The days of records and CDs were over. Now we had convenience, variety, mobility, and status. We connected all of those dots on our own without Apple needing to say it. And for all of that, we didn't really care how much we paid. The iPod was the only way to achieve all those things. Ready to find your own why? Head on over to Impulse Creative's blog and read my article.